Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, August 10th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. The Delta variant of the coronavirus continues to dominate our conversations as new cases of COVID-19 continue to increase. The number of new positive cases, active cases, and isolation quarantine cases have all doubled in the last week. This increase has now upgraded our community transmission risk to substantial, according to the CDC. Following its guidance, we highly recommend that vaccinated and unvaccinated people wear face masks at their workplace and all indoor public spaces they visit or patronize. In Oswego County government facilities, current practices will remain in place. Masks are recommended, but not required, for employees and members of the public who are fully vaccinated. For those who are not, masks and social distancing are still required. We have to remember that this fight is not over, and the best weapon we have against COVID-19 is vaccination. It makes a big difference in serious illness and hospitalization for our residents. Local data has shown that you are 22 times more likely to become infected with the virus if you are not fully vaccinated. As our public health director announced last week, of the county residents who tested positive for COVID-19 between March and July, only 0.13% of them are fully vaccinated residents, compared to 2.8% who are not, and of those who were fully vaccinated, most either had mild or no symptoms at all. As of today, 64.7% of Oswego County residents age 18 and over have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and 59,804 residents have completed the vaccine series. If you have not done so yet, I urge you to get your vaccination. We have 2 more clinics scheduled this week. The first one will be held in conjunction with the Oswego County Office for the Aging's Senior Picnic tomorrow. From 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., the county's mobile vaccination trailer will be in Brightbeck Park in Oswego, and the health department staff will administer the Pfizer vaccine to those aged 12 and over. It's a 2-dose series, so people should plan to go to the Nick Stereo Public Health Clinic, 70 Bunner Street, Oswego, on Wednesday, September 1st, for their second shot. The second clinic is also planned for tomorrow. From 1 to 5:30 p.m., health staff will administer the Pfizer vaccine to those aged 12 and over at the Nick Stereo Public Health Clinic, 70 Bunner Street, Oswego. Again, this is a 2-dose vaccine, so those who attend should plan to return on Wednesday, September 1st for their second dose. Walk-ins are welcomed at both clinics, although appointments are still appreciated. Go to health.oswegocounty.com and click on the link for local information about the COVID-19 vaccination. With the upcoming fall semester just weeks away, I'd like to take a moment to welcome new and returning students to our college campuses. Throughout the pandemic, we have worked closely with SUNY Oswego on our COVID-19 response and look forward to continuing this partnership. SUNY Oswego is a valued member of our community. While it provides residents and non-residents alike with a quality education and demonstrates exemplary civic service, it is also an integral part of our economy, generating a $179.4 million impact. It is one of the largest public employers in Oswego County, employing nearly 5,000 full and part-time faculty and staff, along with student workers. In fact, 62% of the non-student employees are Oswego County residents. Thinking of your youngest residents and visitors, our county tourism office reminds us that education and play go together at the Children's Museum of Oswego. With interactive exhibits such as the Cloud Climber and the Imagination Playground, the museum is designed to entertain children aged 12 and younger. It features special time for those aged 2 and younger, as well as sensory-friendly hours. The tourism tip of the week is to go to cmoo.org to learn more about the Children's Museum of Oswego. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you haven't been vaccinated, now is the time. Call the COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3999. 3330 for details. I would also like to wish Lieutenant Governor Hochul the best of luck as she becomes our next governor.